Hello children, today we are going to read this lesson. Story time, Unity is Strength. Page number 21. UNITY Unity, IS is STRENGTH Strength. Unity is Strength. An old man lived with his 4 sons in a village. The old man was worried. His sons were always quarreling. QUARRELLING, quarreling with each other. They would never agree on any point. The old man had tried telling them many times to avoid avoid fighting, fighting, but his sons would not listen to him. They would fight for everything, everything. Next paragraph. One day he called his 4 sons. He gave them a small bundle of sticks and asked them to break the bundle into 2. It's so easy, easy, said the eldest son. He took the bundle and tried to break it. He was surprised, surprised that the sticks in the bundle remained unbroken. Unbroken. He used more force. Force. He tried again and again, but the bundle of sticks did not break. He gave up. Then his brothers tried to break the bundle of sticks. They tried hard, but they too could not succeed. Succeed. Their father smiled and asked them to untie. Untie. Untie means to open the bundle. Now the sticks were separated. Separated. He gave each brother a single stick and asked them to break it. Each of the sons took a stick in hand. In no time, the sticks were bent and broken. Broken. Now here broken is the opposite of unbroken. Unbroken opposite broken. Like this. Next. A single stick is easily broken. If 4 sticks come together, it is impossible to break them. If you are united, help each other and live in friendship, friendship, you will be stronger than any enemy. But if you are divided among yourselves and keep fighting, you will be as weak as the single stick in that bundle. Remember, remember. United we stand, divided we fall, said the old man, giving his sons a meaningful look. MEANINGFUL, meaningful. This time the brothers learnt a lesson. They stopped fighting with each other. They started to work together as a team, and that really helped them. So all of you children, practice reading it like this. Now we will read the dictation words. WORRID, worried. QUARRELLING, quarreling. AGREE, agree. BUNDLE bundle, STICKS sticks, SURPRISED surprised, UNBROKEN unbroken, IMPOSSIBLE impossible, UNITED united, FRIEND SHIP friendship. All of you learn the spellings.